Yo guys, welcome back to episode 5 of Road to Funded. As you guys saw in last week's episode, we ended off last week with a balance of $5,083. So yeah guys, we're going to continue to build up the account from there, and yeah guys. So for those of you who actually don't know me or who are new to the channel, I'm actually a student at university and I day trade, as you guys can see. So yeah, it gets quite busy and my schedule is literally jam-packed every single day. But yeah guys, so I've decided to document my journey, and this is Road to Funded. So yeah guys, with all that being said, let's get straight into this week's trade. Hi guys, it's a Monday at university, just got here. I don't see any trades on TradingView, so yeah, it's kind of weird for Monday considering I usually take a trade by now. But yeah guys, I'll let you guys know if I enter any setups. Alright. Alright guys, so I actually see a setup right now on EURUSD, so I'm gonna show you guys that now. Alright guys, so I don't really see a setup at the moment. I'm in class, but I don't really see a setup on the markets. So yeah, but when I do, I'll let you guys know. Alright guys, trade update. So this is what GJ is currently doing right now. A whole bunch of nothing. This looks like a retracement to this level here. However, I'm not really loving what GJ is doing right here guys, to be completely honest. However, yeah, I'm not gonna mess with it. I'm gonna let it either go to stop loss or TP. I don't micromanage my trades, just part of my trading plan. So yeah guys, it's either gonna go to stop loss or TP. I'm gonna go to bed right now, yeah, because I have to get up early tomorrow, of course, for university. But yeah guys, I mean, I've done absolutely nothing wrong in this trade right here guys, so yeah. Alright guys, so it's the next day, and yeah, so stop loss has been hit, as you guys can see. But yeah guys, so this is the current account balance. Let me show you guys. Refresh. Alright guys, yeah, so here's the current account balance, just down about 0.2%, so yeah, easily recoverable. Yo guys, so yeah, just came back from university. As you guys can see, this is the gold trade. Yeah, super clean, hit TP very quickly. Let me show you guys account balance, bang, sitting at the $5,028. So yeah guys, I'm not overly happy. Yes, we won. However guys, I actually missed a setup earlier this morning, and it's this setup right here on gold. So supply zone, we closed in the supply zone, and this buy would have been insane. It would have been what is it, 1 to almost 1 to 4 guys. That's the buy that we needed to be in. I would have entered into this second buy anyways, right? So this is gonna I was gonna scale in here anyway, but ideally I would want to have been in this trade as well. So yeah, unfortunately, I think I was traveling to university, so I couldn't catch this trade. At least we caught this trade, guys, so that's a good thing. But yeah, can't feel like we should have taken that one as well. But yeah, so a little bit upset that I missed the gold trade, but you know, it is what it is. At least we caught the second buy. But yeah guys, that's about it for the day. I'll probably go to the gym, and yeah, so I'll catch you guys most likely tomorrow for Thursday's trades. Yeah. Now this needs to be at nighttime though. Yeah, like that. Alright, you lot, trade update. So this is the Euro USD trade. Absolutely demolished my stop loss. Literally through the screen. I can't even lie, that's kind of mad. If you look at my account, we are just below break even. So we're still calm. Yeah, it's not really, yeah, we're not, you know, we're not close to blowing the account or anything, so we're still fine. I think we're down about 2% for the week. Now guys, this trade, I'm actually completely fine with this trade. As you guys can see, Euro USD completely just, it literally disregarded the fact that it was bearish and just went, literally completely changed trends at this point guys. So yeah, completely valid trade. You know, it literally, I guess we're just unlucky enough to be at the point where it reversed trends at this. Alright guys, yo, just entered into this GBP sell. Yeah. So yeah guys, here's the trade on TradingView. Clean sell to the downside. TP here, stop loss up there. Alright guys, trade update on GBP. So I have actually gotten out of the trade. I lost about 0.6%. So as you guys can see, GBP today minus 30, and this is yesterday's trade. So yeah, I got out of it early, and now you guys might be asking, why did you get out of it early? Well, I'm glad you asked, right? So the reason I got out of it early, if you guys go ahead and look at USD we have the same, almost the exact same setup as we do on GJ. It looks a little bit different, however, it's almost the exact same setup on USD and this trade here is invalid. Why? Because 4 hour is clearly looking to retrace up. Daily is clearly at a strong support resistance level. USD is looking to buy up, and through a lot of my back testing guys, I've I figured out that GJ and UJ, when it comes to the 30-minute time frame, they behave very similarly. So if on USD/JPY there's an invalid setup, even if the setup on GJ is valid, the odds aren't against me, right? The odds are against me. So yeah, if there's two same setups on UJ and GJ and one is invalid, I shouldn't take that one. So it's happened to me too many times, guys, where on USD/JPY there's an invalid setup, on GJ there's a valid setup. I take the valid setup and it ends up losing simply because they move very similarly. And this GJ setup isn't amazing. I shouldn't have been in this setup actually in the first place, because as you guys know, I'm prioritizing A+ setups, and this is not an A+ setup. It's valid, but it's not an A+ setup. So decided to get out, and yeah, I'll keep you guys updated, and let's see what this trade ends up doing. Well, guys, exactly as I said, we hit stop loss, and we're probably going to continue to go up here. Yeah, guys, this is from straight experience, and the moment I get even more experience, guys, I won't even enter in these setups. Yeah, guys, the name of the game is capital preservation, and you know, if I'm to escape this week, which clearly was a red week for this strategy, guys, because I did everything correctly except for today, right? Maybe that $50 loss could have been prevented, then we would have been very close to 5K. All right, guys, so we are back on gold. I see a beautiful setup right here. If this candle closes above this line here, I'm going to be taking the buy all the way up, guys. This is potentially one of the best setups I've seen on gold. This has potential to be one of the best setups that I've seen on gold. 4 hour is beautifully bullish at the moment. Of course, daily is bullish as well. We are reacting off the support resistance level from the previous couple days of price action. And yeah, guys, overall this trade here on the 1 hour looks very clean. So yeah, guys, just waiting for this candle to close above this line, and then we will be entering for buys. All right, guys, so gold is looking very good. It looks like it's about to close above the line. So yeah, guys, then I will be entering. Yeah, I'll keep you guys posted, and yeah, we'll see if we actually enter in the next minute. All right, guys, I accidentally misclicked and I said close trade, but yeah, so I took a small $4 loss, but yeah, we've re-entered quickly. Yeah, so just a small mistake, so we lost $4, but it should be fine because I re-enter normally with the 1% risk. And yeah, guys, let's see what this trade goes ahead and does. But yeah. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, guys, as soon as I entered, the 4 hour candle closed with this beautiful wick to the bottom. So if this candle would have closed down here, we would have actually, the 4 hour would have shifted bearish. So the fact that it didn't do that and actually closed the way it did, and the way price closed in the supply zone, this is literally a A++ setup, guys. Like, this is as good as it gets. The chance of this hitting TP is really high, even though it's like almost a 1 to 3. Yo, guys, okay, so we are up 1-to-1 on gold at the moment. So yeah, it's looking quite good. All right, guys, so yeah, I've entered another position. Yeah, so same thing here. Supply zone got closed into on the 30-minute. So yeah, so the supply zone got closed into with this candle on the 30-minute. So this is actually another setup. So yeah, I'm deciding to take the buy up. The only reason, by the way, guys, the only reason I'm actually taking this setup, even though we already took a setup on GJ and we entered on gold now, the only reason I'm taking this setup again is because the GJ trade was invalid. If it was valid, I would not be taking the second entry. But since we got out early and we minimized our losses, I can enter in another position because I do expect it to go up. Yeah, so let's see how it plays out. Yeah. Okay, now, what is this candle, bro? Oh my days, man. What Bro, there's just no way, bro. Oh my days, man. What is that candle? I can't believe this, honestly. Wow. Yo guys, so yeah, technically at the moment we've lost 3 valid trades in a row. The GBP JPY trade was invalid, so I don't count that loss. However, we did lose that trade, but in terms of valid trades that I've lost 3 in a row, which does mean that it was a losing streak. Now guys, am I going to change anything in my trading plan? No, because I followed it to perfection, and guys, I've been profitable. I don't have the results to back it up due to all my mistakes that I've made. However, I've been profitable and I haven't needed to change anything. So yeah, guys, the most important thing to understand, guys, is losing streaks are normal. And if you guys don't understand that, I'm sorry, you will never get anywhere in trading. Changing things when you are taking valid setups and changing your trading plan is the worst mistake you could make, because you'll never end up being profitable. So what am I gonna do moving forward? What am I gonna change? Absolutely nothing. I'm gonna continue to follow my trading plan. And yeah, guys, it's a game of probabilities. There's always a chance that you're gonna lose a trade, and it can happen 3 times in a row. It is possible, and that's exactly what happened. Yeah, guys, so what I'll do next week is just make sure that, I'll take valid setups and valid setups only, ensuring that they are A+, and yeah, that's pretty much the only thing I'm going to be doing. But yeah, guys, with all that being said, I'll catch you guys next week on episode 6 of Road to Funded. So until then, guys, yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next week. Peace.